Here we are then. Today's journey is an amazing story. What are you going to see? Well, just have a look, see what you think. Come on in, let's go and have a proper look. There's some brilliant stuff here, brilliant. Here we are then. Here's a trip today to the Lincolnshire Aviation Heritage Centre, and the main reason we've come here is to see this baby. Yes, they've got it out, and today is one of the days where you can actually go on board and have a taxi experience, where they'll taxi the aircraft around the airfield. Now, to do that, you have to book about a year in advance, and it's just under 500 quid. But what a fantastic experience, eh? Sitting in that thing and being taxied around. If they don't get blown over, I suppose. When you think we're not standing right behind it, and it's still quite a lot of wind, isn't it? Eh? Yeah. Yeah, I see it's moving now, look.
Or is that recording that in that position?
It's what, love?
Is that recording that in that position?
Yeah, I'm moving it to keep it in line.
Okay.
The good thing is this, you can zoom in as well. Yeah, this is zoomed in. I'm right behind it. Even though it's a long way away, it fills the whole screen.
Where's the runway then? I thought they was on it.
No, there's a little aircraft just run past. You see it. There you go, lads. I'll have a bit. I'll have a bit. Thank you. Yeah, oh yeah. The wheel at the front, let the nose go. It's on the nearer now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the pilot of the Lancaster today is Michael Shackleton. He is ably assisted by the engineer Bradley Winter, and safety officer Liz Hobbs, the ground crew and the fire crew. Just a point of interest for you today, we are dedicating today's Lancaster Maximum in memory of a particular Lancaster. Just over 80 years ago, on the 23rd of June 1944, Lancaster ME-625 from 97th Squadron and RAF Coningsby collided with another Lancaster on formation training. The piece of armour placing from behind the pilot's head was recovered from that crash site by the Lincolnshire Aircraft Recovery Group, who are based here at the centre. That piece of armour placing is now on permanent loan to the Lancaster Restoration Company for the restoration, and it's fitted to Just Jane at this very time. So we are dedicating today's runs to the memory of the 13 aircrew who were killed in that collision, and only one of those aircrew on board the Lancaster actually survived that incident.
Yeah.
More of the wreckage from that particular aircraft, Lancaster ME-625, can be found on the left-hand side of the hangar in the display next to the B-25.
That's amazing, isn't it? Eh?
Beautiful.
Yeah. East Kirkby is a nice place. There's loads to see here. I've only touched on a few bits. Inside this hangar, there's a load of artefacts of all different eras. Here's a Canberra nose. I'm not going to go into great detail, but there are so many things here. You can spend ages just in this hangar. They've just come across a B-25. I don't know where it's come from. I don't know anything about this aircraft, but there's a B-25 in here. Wasn't here the last time I come, but brilliant machine. You can have a real good look round that, see some very interesting artefacts related to that. The Mosquito's still here as well. They're working on the Mosquito, hoping one day to get that up to a taxable machine. Outside, there's also loads of artefacts to look and see. Here we are then. Another interesting part of East Kirkby is behind me. There is the windsock pole. The windsock pole used to belong to RAF Spilsby, and German aircraft used to follow the Lancasters back home, intruder raids they were called, and then strafe them as they were landing. Well, at this particular windsock, if you look up about 3/4 of the way up, there's a hole all the way through, and that was caused on such an intruder raid where a bullet actually hit and passed straight through the windsock pole. Even on your way out, there's still things to see. Here's a little memorial garden at the gate. And loads of very interesting stories to look at and to read. East Kirkby is a brilliant place. If you're interested in the Second World War and aviation, then it's absolutely fantastic. We had a fantastic time. Would recommend it 100%.